What up guys, Miguel here of Yugatech, and this is our hands-on of the OPPO F11 Pro. The successor to the OPPO F9, the F11 Pro seems to take some design cues in terms of button and fingerprint scanner placement. Unlike the F9, the F11 Pro now has a 48 megapixel main shooter, a 4000 mAh battery, and is now using the MediaTek Helio P70 chipset. It also comes with Android 9 Pie out of the box. But what's really stealing the show and making people rave about this phone is that motorized pop-up front-facing camera. 2018 was a weird year for phone manufacturers trying to take another step towards a completely bezel-less phone. From the notch craze to punch holes, we actually first saw the motorized pop-up camera design from the Vivo Nex. Then eventually OPPO needed a piece of that cake and showed us the Find X. Unlike the conventional pop-up design we see today, the Find X had the whole top part pop out and it was really a head-turner. Now, with the OPPO F11 Pro, we get a pop-up camera that starts from the middle top of the phone. Not like the shifted right pop-up camera we see on the Vivo V15 Pro. In terms of design and construction, in the hands it feels a bit bigger in the palm than usual, especially compared to the F9. But in a way, I like it. It somehow gives a better emphasis to that edge-to-edge glass front. The back looks really good. You get the diagonal blue to black to pink gradient design, and I think it looks really classy. The back panel also mimics glass very well, but really it's just plastic. And I don't know, I like it. Buttons feel really good. I mean, they're not the most tactile ever, but they work. I really like that green line that highlights the power button. I think it was a nice, very nice touch. So good on you, OPPO. Back to those cameras, you get a dual camera setup on the back, composed of a 48 megapixel main shooter and a 5 megapixel camera for sensing depth. In front, you get that 16 megapixel selfie shooter and it's actually pretty good. Check out some of our sample shots. Okay, what do you guys think of the OPPO F11 Pro so far? Let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned of course for our full review. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!